Guys, today we're doing Oobleck. I just now posted a video, so me and Guy at hair salon, so go check that out. And so I'm gonna pause this and get everything prepared to make and play with Oobleck. So 1 moment. I pushed the screen back so there's a little more room for everything. Anyway, ingredient 1, cornstarch, or we didn't have any cornstarch, so a great replacement that we had is arrowroot. It's kind of backwards, but it's called arrowroot. Next ingredient, a bowl, a big spoon. It doesn't have to be big, but I just wanted to use a big spoon, so 1 cup measuring cup. And finally, water. Okay, so first, I'm trying not to make a mess. I really should try harder. So, you have your bowl. Yeah, you do. I'm still sick, so. First, you want to take your arrowroot or cornstarch, which probably works a little better. Now, there's not that much left, so I'm just going to put it all in there, but you're supposed to measure out 1.5 cups. That's about 1.5 cups. That's not too much of a mess. Okay, and next, 1 cup of water, or however much it takes. Oh, geez, this is hard. I'm gonna pause this, and I have successfully measured out that, and now I'm putting it in there. Okay, so now you have to stir immediately, otherwise, I don't know. I just got this from another YouTube video. So you just keep on stirring. And stir and stir and stir. Hey, I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so it's really watery because I added too much water. And there's not any more of this. So I got some gluten-free flour, which might work. And about 1/4 cup. So let's try this. Maybe, please, maybe. And it's just kind of staying on the top. This is very weird. What? 1 second. Never mind. Okay, so. Ew. So that didn't work. We didn't have enough cornstarch. Or as I used arrowroot. It's not supposed to turn out like this. I made some before, it's kind of dried out now, but I wonder if I add that. Baking soda! Hey Mom, what's the difference between baking soda and baking powder? Yes, there's no difference! Well, I'm not saying that. Ugh. What if I add that? I just added some baking soda and I'm seeing how that works. It's fizzing, Mom! It's fizzing! this is the sink. Yeah, it's just gonna keep rising. Sorry about that. I had to take it to the sink. Okay, so watch it. It is crazy. What? It's so fun. Okay, so I'm setting tablet right there. Yes, I'm still setting a tablet right there. Okay, so this stuff is behaving really oddly. Okay, so I'm just going to water it and rinse my hand off. Oh, look, it's rising again. JK. JK. Well, the water's making it rise, so it is rising again. Okay, so anyway, that was way hot. I'm going to make a baking soda volcano. 7 minutes. So let me dry it off. And we're going to make this video kind of long. Hey, Mom, you got something in the microwave? Yeah, our kitchen is kind of a mess. Who cares? Okay, so we need a water bottle. Wait a second, I got an idea. Aw, darn. Okay, so that idea won't work. Try to find an empty bottle or something that's almost empty. No, never mind. It's baking powder. We need baking soda. We have baking soda. It's right there. Okay, so. I'm gonna do it. Outside. Perfect. So I'm gonna grab the vinegar and the baking soda. Who doesn't love an explosion? Okay, so we're heading outside. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Sorry if it's kind of hard to hold a bunch of stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna set the tablet somewhere outside. Like, oh duh. Oh ma. Where am I gonna set it? Oh duh, on the stair. Okay. Be right back. Hi guys. I don't know how much you saw. I don't know if you saw the explosion or not. So hi guys. Okay, so I'm gonna place the tablet. And you are going to see an explosion. Okay, so I had it paused the whole time, the whole freaking time. Okay, so let me see what you can and cannot see. Oh, wow. Okay, so I got an idea. There's a bee in that box. Okay, so I am so sorry I let you miss it because it was paused the whole time. I don't know how long it was paused. Okay, so I'm trying to make a little stand for the tablet. I'm so sorry. Perfect. So you can see that. I'm going to add baking soda and some more vinegar. I know it's edible, but that would be disgusting. No, don't make me do it. So that's the end of my video, guys. Unless you want to see my tree house. Yeah, that's enough for one day. Bye.